Special greetings, my dear students. Uh, See, first chapter we are learning the basics. First chapter, internet basics. We are learning the basics of the internet. But thing is what so much of concept in your chapter, first chapter. So much of concept. If I go fast, you cannot able to understand. So that is the reason I am going slow by slow, because web server, web portal, website, and what is a normal server. Okay, server works on the machine, it is a offline, and when we are talking about the web server, it works on the web, entire internet. Okay, so you should not get confused with these topics. And when we talk about the world wide web or web, both are same, and this is one of the features available in the internet. In internet there are so many features are there. In that, web is one of the feature. What is the work of the web? In internet, so much of data. Okay, so much of data means many varieties of data: music, audio files, document files, video files, software setup, HTML files, bootstrap files, PHP. Like so much varieties of data, millions of data are available. When we are accessing, when we are searching this data, how we are seeing in a web page format, that is a work of www. When we are searching, whatever data we are searching related to that, this www will convert it into the HTML format file and it will give to us. Okay, there are plenty of concept involved in your first chapter. If you go slowly only, you can able to understand. If you are by hearting, nothing will work, my dear. So slowly I am going, no need to get worried. I hope today it will be over. After that, a very simple topics are there, we may go through. Okay, now first of all we will come to the web address. Okay, web address. Here they given a web address. When we talk about the web address, where we are typing the web address? In URL. Example. So here, this is a URL. Okay, this is what? This is a URL. In this place, whatever we are typing, www.google.com. So this is a address. Now this is the domain name. Okay, this is the domain name. When we talk about the google.com, this is a unique name. It has two varieties. Mostly a domain name means this URL, that is a URL, uniform resource locator. Uniform resource locator, the communication between web user and internet resource. I am the user, I am communicating with the Google. Okay, this URL and URI, uniform resource identifier, both are same. Okay, both are same. And one more thing you have to always remember, okay, this is enough, this is enough. When we are going upcoming topics, we may see that all. Okay, elements of URL. Elements means when we talk about this URL, it is consist of mainly two elements. Mainly two elements. Kindly see here google.com. You can able to see here google.com. In this place, okay, in this place, Google is a domain name and com is an extension. Any website you may go through. Okay, any website you may go through, it has a two extensions. Okay, one is a domain, one is a domain name, and another one is a extension. Another one is a extension. So this domain name is a unique name available in the internet, and this extension denotes the field where we are using. Here you can able to see the components of URL. The first part of here they given simple examples. Let's see. Here the second part of web address. Okay, host. Okay, mostly this host, when we talk about www, here you can able to see www.google.com means it denotes world wide web, means we are this is going to be, this host is going to search worldwide network. If we are talking about no worldwide, if your intranet, we may say intranet, if you're talking about the intranet, we will not use this www. Intranet means what? Within an organization. Intranet means a within organization. Internet means a entire world network. Okay, this is the difference. Here you can able to say, if this tells browser is so, the site located on the internet. If you are using www, it tells it locates on the internet. If the web address is an intranet, here you can able to see it not begins with www. Internet means a entire world network. Intranet means a only within an organization. This is the thing. And the domain name follows the host. Okay, example, see, the website consists of two part. One is a domain and another one is a extension. So here you can able to see this India is a domain and government.in is a extension. Okay, India is a domain and government.in is a extension. If you are searching anything in the internet, any pages you are searching, first it will reach the domain. After it will reach the, in that particular domain, what pages you want to access, it will reach the particular page. Okay, now let's see some of the common domains. My dear students, this all are the domains you should know. Okay, if you're talking about the commercial purpose, amazon.com, flipkart.com, google.com, that com word, it is a commercial. This com word is a commercial, means it denotes the commercial, selling a goods, buying a goods, means selling the items, buying the items. If it is an INT, international organization, government, GOV, network means what? NET, ORG, organization, EDU, education, INFO, information. If you are talking about the business, BIZ, MIL means what? Military, Asian Pacific region, mobile, air transport industry. Okay, this all are the short form of the domains. Here you can see, if it India means IN, Pakistan PK, United States US means particular. Okay, this is a extension. This is a extension. Based on this extension, we can able to identify which type of website we are accessing. Okay, which type of website we are viewing and we are accessing. Next. Okay, now we came for the HTML. My dear students, hereafter what things we are going to say, it is very easier and simple. Okay, no need to get confused. The theoretical over, upcoming topics it will be easier. HTML full form, hypertext markup language. HTML full form is what? Hypertext markup language. And here hypertext, mostly why we are using hypertext language? To create a web page. This hypertext markup language we are using to create a web page. First is this reason. After now we are using CSS, Bootstrap and all. That all things keep us in. Now just see what is a hypertext. Hypertext refers to combination of text and graphic images. Okay, it is a piece of foreign text, unique features of linking the other document or web page. This is important word. Example, if I go to the Google, okay, if I go to the Google and if I searching here, okay, computer, here I am searching. When we search about the computer, So this is a hypertext, blue color. When I will move my mouse cursor, it is changing. Can you able to see? If I click this, it is opening another web page. It is opening what? Another web page. So that is a hypertext. Go back. Okay. So this blue color text, okay, it holds some link. If I click this here, it opens some videos. Okay, or if I click here, images, it is opening the images. Now whatever I am going to click, it is going to open a one image, and under the image so many links are there. Here so many links of images are coming. So this is a hypertext. It holds some links. It holds some links, and it opens a new web page also. It can open new web page, or it can open an image, or it means it contains some data source. And markup, what is meant by markup? Now this is a thing, very important thing. Markup means, you should remember, it is a language uses of tag. Markup means what? It is a language uses of tag. HTML is a language we are using always tags. See here, already you learned in the previous classes. This all are the tags. Now see here, here I typed computer. Okay, here I typed what? Computer. Here I typed computer. So many web pages are, so many links are coming. If I want to view this markup tag, just right click, and here you can able to see, here I am clicking, it is hiding it. So see here, right click, view page source. Shortcut is Ctrl U, just click. Now we are going to see the tag. See, this is a tag, this is a JavaScript. Okay, this is a JavaScript. And when we talk about here, you cannot able to see the HTML clearly that much. So better I will open any web page. Now see here, here is a .com. So .com means what? Commercial purpose. .com means what? It is a commercial purpose. Now see, right click, view page source. View page source. I am clicking view page source. It is opening. Now you can able to see the tags. See here, HTML tags. Now this is the markup language. Okay, HTML is consist of what? Markup language. Markup means what? Markup is a special symbols or character in HTML file. This markup indicates how the content will appear on the web page. Okay. Now next to see markup languages. What are the markup languages? HTML, CSS, PHP. These are the languages. We may go through it. No need to go on this deeply. Now next is a protocol. Protocol means rules and regulations. If you are a student, how you should come to school? You should wear uniform. You should wear a neat dress. You should wear a shoe. Some rules are there. While coming to school, you will wear a jeans which is torn, or you will come with the inner banian, no shirt and all. You will come with inner banian, or you will come with the lower shorts. Okay, shorts. You will come with the shorts. No, that is not a way. If you are coming to the school, there are some rules, there are some restrictions you should follow. If you are going to the temple, if you are going to the hospital, there are some rules. If you are going to the hospital, you will play the music and you will dance. It is like that? No. In a social, we are having the rules. Same way, in internet also, we are having a rules how internet should work. Okay. This protocol today we are going to see TCP, IP, HTTP, HTTPS. These are the different protocol we are going to study. Better in next class we can see, because it is a big topic. Already we seen few topics. You may get stuck. After this protocol, we are going to study about the blocks. After blocks, your first chapter is over. Okay, no need to get tense, no need to get tension. Slowly we can complete our chapter. Okay, when you are coming to the school, all together we will revise very easily. You will understand. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thanks for watching. And your fair copy and all, till now I didn't give that much works. Better you may write the difference. Okay, in your book there is a difference now, like this, like a web portal, website. Okay, after http, https, this difference just you write it in your book, sorry, write it in your fair copy. Only the difference, no need to write more, only short things you may write. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, be safe and be healthy, thank you.